This started back in February when I got a Galaxy Note 7 out of a Target bin. But there's one issue. The battery was badly inflated, and I was not going to keep that battery in the current state. So, it started on February 26th of 2020. So I ordered my first battery. It seemed pretty fine. It was not that expensive. But then I woke up the next day to this message telling me that they were apparently sold out. Then I bought this. It was the same stock image as the last one, but I thought that it was a different seller. Turns out this dude has so many eBay shops that I had to ask him which ones he did not own. So I ordered another battery from another seller, which apparently was not the same seller. And I got this. What the hell is going on? The dude refused to answer my messages, so I left negative feedback, and I got this back. The dude shipped it out, and then the guy had the post office come and take it back to him, or forward it back to him, or whatever. So he obviously was not out of stock. After calling the guy out for it, he said that it was apparently sent to the wrong address. How do you manage to do that? Were you writing it down on the envelope, or what? And honestly, I don't believe this guy. So I'm just gonna stop messaging this guy. So I bought another battery. And, well, if I made this video when this battery comes, I'll have a video that's 3 months delayed. So I don't want to wait until June, which is when the battery is coming, to make this video and upload it. So until then, I'm going to have to upload this video right now, just as it is on March 11th. And, well, hopefully this is going to be the end of this mess. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and hopefully the next video I'll have a working Note 7. Goodbye. It is currently May 7th, and the battery has finally came in, and upon installing it on the device, it works perfectly fine. The battery seems to be used. I think it was pulled from a Note FE, but I'm happy with this, and this has been a successful restoration of the Samsung Galaxy Note 7. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.